Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to manage database in the Plesk control panel. Without making any further delay, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. As a first step, log into your Plesk control panel. On the left side menu bar, you can see the option named Databases. Click and open it. Here you can see the databases in the Plesk control panel. On the top, you can see the option named Add Database. Click and open it. In this page, you can create the new database. Here, enter the database name and choose the related site for the database. Also, here you can create the new user for the database. Enter the database username and password. Tick the checkbox if you want to give the access to all databases to this user. Finally, leave the access control settings as it is. And click on the Create Database button to create the new database and this new user. And now you can see that your new database has been created. And now if you click on the user management on the top menu bar, you can see the new user that was created while creating the database. Now come back to the databases page. You can see the database name here. You can also copy the database name by clicking that option. Also, you can change the related site of the particular database. And now on the right side, you can see the option named WebAdmin. Click and open it. You will be navigated to phpMyAdmin of this database. Now come back to the databases page. Now click on the connection info option. Here you can see the connection information like host, database name, username, but you can't see the password for the user. Now again come back to the databases page. Now click on the export dump option. This option will export your database in the zip file. You can also choose the directories to store the zip file. And if you tick the checkbox automatically download the dump after its creation, it will be automatically downloaded after it created. Now come back to the databases page and click on the import dump button. Here you can import the SQL zip file either from your file manager, either from your computer. Once you have selected the file, click on the import dump button. The database will be automatically imported. Now come back to the databases page and click on the copy database button. By using this option, we can copy the database to the new database or to the existing database. Here select the destination database as create a database with name or copy to existing database. If you choose create database with name, you need to enter your new database name here. Finally, leave the tick box as it is and click on the OK button. Now you can see the new database on the databases page. Now again click on the copy database option and change the destination server to the other. Now enter your remote server's hostname or IP address here and also the login credentials of your remote server. By using this option, you can copy the same database to your remote server. Now on the same databases page, click on the check and repair button. It will check your database for any errors and fix it. Now click on the user management option on the top. In this page, you can see your database users. Here you can create and delete the database users. Now click on the add database user button and enter the database user. Now on the database field, select the database that you want to assign for this user. Now tick the checkbox use this user's credentials by default for accessing phpMyAdmin. Now you have to choose the access control. If you choose allow local connections only, it will allow only local connection. If you choose allow remote connection from any host, it will allow from anyone. If you choose allow remote connection from and enter the details, it will allow only from them. Choose the option and click on the OK button. Now you can see that the database user had been added successfully. Now click on the username to open its settings. Here you can change the user's password and change the related database. Also you can edit the database permissions of this user. You can also enable the global privileges for this user. If you enable this option, this user can access all the databases. And the final option here is access control. You can also change the access control settings here. Once you have changed the settings here, click on the apply button and click on the OK button after that. That's all friends. Hope we have covered everything related to the database in the Plesk control panel. If you have any doubts in the details mentioned in this video, please drop it as a comment. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant updates about the video, please press the bell icon.